Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Japan will decide its measures in the Sakhalin-1 oil and gas project in Russia's Far East in consultation with its partners as it reviews details of a decree by Moscow, Japanese Industry Minister Yasutoshi Nishimura said. Cryptocurrency payments company Ripple Labs has formed new partnerships in France and Sweden, continuing its march into Europe despite the current wintry freeze enveloping much of the crypto industry. Finance Minister Kwasi Kwarteng committed to work with regulators to understand what has happened to the market for long-dated British government bonds in recent weeks, with a particular focus on the role of pension funds. The Bitcoin fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw Apple stock drop 0.5%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 09:30 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US producer price index at 1230 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 0900 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.